In a single drop of water, life awakens again. The tardigrade, a creature so small, yet nearly immortal. Under the microscope, it walks slowly, 8 tiny legs moving with perfect rhythm. Inside its body, water begins to flow, a heartbeat of resilience. When the world around dries, it does not die. It folds into itself, entering a cryptobiotic sleep that can last centuries. In the silence of vacuum, it remains intact. No air. No warmth yet. Not dead. Bombarded by radiation, frozen or boiled, the tardigrade endures. Its shell holds the blueprint of survival itself, and when conditions return, it wakes, a tiny pulse of life, flickering against the infinity of space. Each leg grips dust, steady and deliberate. Every step, a declaration, I am still alive. The scene changes, earthbound no longer. The survivor of oceans now walks on lunar soil. Its translucent body glows under sunlight reflected from Earth. It moves forward, leaving prints smaller than grains of sand. Above the gray horizon, the blue planet rises. Home, the world it once knew. Still out there. In this silent desert, the tardigrade continues its slow march, a symbol of endurance across space and time. Even here, life finds a way. The indestructible voyager of existence, the tardigrade.